case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1987, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case of Goodman v. Lukens Steel Company, which centered around Title VII of the Civil Rights Act of 1964. This legislation makes it illegal for employers and unions to discriminate against employees based on race. The case began in 1973 when employees of Lukens Steel Company sued their employer and collective bargaining agents, United Steelworkers of America and two of its local unions, for racial discrimination. The district court found both Lukens and the unions guilty, issuing separate injunctive orders against them and reserving damages for further proceedings. Both Lukens and the unions appealed the liability conclusions and the decision on the statute of limitations. Although the unions claimed they did not actively oppose the company's discriminatory practices, the court determined they intentionally and knowingly chose not to assert claims of racial discrimination, violating Title VII and Section 1981. Ultimately, the Court of Appeals affirmed the judgment against the unions, finding that they had violated Section 703(c)(1) of Title VII by intentionally and knowingly failing to assert claims of racial discrimination by the employer. The unions discriminated against the victims who deserved to have their grievances heard.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.